And here we are with the Rlaarlo little 112 scale buggy on 2S, stock battery, stock battery, stock shocks, stock everything. The only thing I've changed is I've put an XT60 plug on the ESC in the battery because I don't use Dean's, but whew, it's only a tiny little thing. So the radio does feel better than the other one, the little 114 scale, but it's still not perfect. Oh, come on, it's still not perfect. There's still a little bit of lag and a little bit of input inconsistencies I'm noticing, but for the price that it is and for what you get, I think that's not a big issue. I think most people will be quite happy to swap out the radio for something else if they don't like the stock one. I think you can get used to it, and as I said, it works a lot better than the other one that they had on that 114 scale. But geez, man, this thing's got power for 2S. Alright, it's a bit uneven here, so I couldn't really go to the usual little oval part because the grass is so long, and this guy would have just struggled anyway. So I decided to start off at a little different spot. Let's see how it does here. Ooh. The tires, I think, actually not that bad. Once they get going, they're okay. All right, let's go to our position over there, and let's see if we can get some jumps in. I think this will be good. Sun is out now, but I think it's only temporary because there is some bad weather headed our way for the next 5 or 6 days. Oh, wow. What is that? Squirrely little thing. So fast. It's so fast for its size, and just running 2S. Oop. God damn, it's so fast. Like, yes, I know I've driven faster and more powerful vehicles, but for its size, it's so quick. But then again, I guess the 114 scale was a bit like this as well, and shouldn't be too surprised. But this being a longer chassis, you know, now being classed as a 112 scale, it just has a little bit more stability, I think. It's balanced a little differently. Oh, Jesus. But it does jump really well for its size. It's doing very, very nicely here. Oh, it's so quick. It's a zippy little thing. Actually doesn't handle too bad at all. It does well on the gravel. Electric bike is gone. Electric bike dude. Let's see. One more. Nice. Man, it does well. Alright, let's go bigger, I guess. See if you can break it. Now it is windy, I will say, and I might actually just zoom in a little bit more. It is windy, so hopefully you guys can still hear me okay. Oh yes, it's broken. I've done something. I've done something. I mean, I say yes like I'm cheering for it to break, but that's not what I wanted to do. Hopefully something just popped out. What have I done here? Oh, it looks like I've just popped stuff out. Let's have a look. Yeah, I reckon I can fix this. Oh, zoom camera, I mean focus camera. Can you focus? Yeah, so I see, look, the links have just popped out. I think I can fix this in a couple of minutes. Give me a sec. No, we've actually got some major damage. The outdrive cup, let's see if I can get this on camera. I'll zoom out, that probably helps. The outdrive cup is split in two. So even if I put this back, I won't have drive on this wheel. So I've got a broken outdrive. Hopefully you can see that on camera as I'm rotating. But yeah, that's Cactus, and that's the end of this run. So no 3S run for this guy. One nasty landing, and unfortunately that was the end of that. But it was doing really well. I was pretty impressed with it up to this point. I'll see if I can get a replacement part, and yeah, we'll get this guy up and running and be back another time to finish our run. That's it for me. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.